Up everybody, this is Aussie Bunny and today I'm going to show you how to do a mermaid inspired look, which is cut crease also. It actually was originally an independent St. Lucian look, but as you can see it didn't really turn out that way, but it still turned out pretty nice. So I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this look. So as everybody can see, I've already gone in with one eye already. So we're just going to continue on with this and do the other side. First I'm going to go in with a MAC Runway Worthy palette. I'm going to use this colour in the purple. We're just going to keep on building the eyeshadow just a little bit underneath the brow, by leaving a little bit of space. As you can see, just following this eye here, you see a little bit of space where it cuts off. So we're just going to imitate that. With a brush like this, just blend it out. I'm going to get into the cut crease. We're going to use this brush here to cut the crease, and today I'm going to use Revlon photoready art, and I'm going to be using this part here to cut the crease. And what I do, I just go over a little bit of the eyelid, just a little bit over, but you'll watch and see what I'll do. Cut the crease, and now we're going to get into the fun part, which is filling in the cut crease. Today I'm going to be using Perfect 9 palette makeup set, and I'm going to be using this color right here to cut in the crease. Using Inglot Pure Pigmented Eyeshadow. By the way, I'm using this type of brush to fill it in. And I'm going to go in with the same MAC palette, but I'm using the black color this time to go on the edges of my crease. And what I do with the dark colors here on the side, I just bring it out a little bit. You can always clean it up afterwards with a baby wipe. And then I'm using NYX's eyeshadow base. What I'm going to do is fill in with a Nano liquid liner. So we're just going to cut through it right now. Cut on top of it with Lash and Line glitter and Supernova. And I'm just going to cut across my eyelid. just makes it look a lot better. There you go, cut crease completed, and now I'm just going to finish off with some foundation and pop on some lashes, and you're going to see how this is going to look in the end. So I just went in and did my foundation and lashes. If you're interested in knowing how I do my lashes, I'll include that in the description box below. It's called Workplace Appropriate Everyday Makeup Routine. And also, if you're interested in knowing how I do my eyebrows, I'll include that also in the description box below. So right now I'm just doing the finishing off touches, and I'm using Forever Matte in Chic. But first I'm going to outline with this brown pencil. Look for my cut crease. Make sure that you hit the description box down below, and make sure that you hit the little bell so you can get the notifications, and you'll be seeing some more videos coming from me soon.